What is your problem? What kind of a human are you? Because I have not seen anyone that spits honey that is being put in her mouth. An opportunity was given to you in order to make money and save your sick mother's life. And you're here asking too many questions.
I am pregnant. I am pregnant for crying out loud.
Oh, that's beautiful. Good news. Get ready to be his wife. As for Nkechi, forget about her. She will do nothing. I will definitely put her in her place. I can handle it. Yes, she will definitely pay dearly for what she did to me. Good news. I'm happy.
Kwanini Mimi Oh Aye mama Rafiki Mbaya Nikisu Ngongoni Rafiki Mbaya Ni adoi Aye Aye mama Wanini mimi Wanini mami.
Why are you walking like this and why are you home early?
Mama, I had a cut in the farm. We are trying to weed for people.
You had a cut. Why trying to weed?
Yes, Mama.
Is that so? No, answer me. Just clap for yourself or I should clap for you. Eh? How many people had a cut while trying to weed? Answer me. The only thing you know how to do is just eat and lazy about. That's all.
Mama, how many maidens of my age goes to people's farm to weed for them in order to make a living? Mama, I'm only doing this so we can have something to eat. Oh yes, Mama. Sometimes the way you treat me makes me wonder if truly you are my mother.
Well, whether you farm or you did not farm, I must eat. If you don't know. Or better still, stay here, let me go out and do the farming for you. And work and fend for you. Useless thing. My family just get out of my sight.
Tell how it will taste.
How is it?
As tasty as the person that prepared it.
Thank you.
How is it?
It's very delicious. I made it now. My love, please, what about the thing I told you?
If I am to suggest, I would say we do not need a serving girl in this house. What do you need a serving girl for?
My love, having a serving girl is very important. At least she will help and be taking care of house chores while I concentrate on other things.
Just the house chores. If it is about your farmland, at least I will say reasons. But then I used to hire laborers to assist you. So I do not see any reason for a serving girl.
My love, you know this is time for me to concentrate on my farm produce. I need to focus on my attention there. The serving girl will just stay in the house and be taking care of the house chores and every other thing.
Well, if you ask me, I will say it's of no use. But if that will make you happy, who am I? You have it.
It will make me happy. Thank you.
So you can actually smile.
I can smile.
Right, here you go.
Thank you.
Let me enjoy. I love the way you sausage.
Ibe, what is your problem? Why are you following me around this village? I have told you I do not want you. I am not interested, so stop stalking me, okay?
Chiamaka.
What?
How many times do you want me to let you know that I love you so much? See, all I ask is for you to give me a chance. Give me a chance, let me prove to you how much I love and care for you. Am I asking for too much, Chiamaka? Am I?
I do not love you. Read my lips. I do not love you and I don't want you close to me. Please, let me be.
Okay, if you say you don't love me, at least we can be friends. Or am I asking for too much on that one too?
Just friends.
Just friends.
Okay. Friends, you see. But you have no carnal knowledge of me.
Chiamaka, we still going back to that. We've passed that stage. Okay? Okay, fine. Now you've accepted for us to be friends. Don't you think you should come and visit me at least to know where I'm staying?
I cannot come and visit you. I will not.
And that is what friends do to friends. Please.
And you promise you will not touch me?
Wow. Do you not see me as a beast? Come on. You've not heard any such from me or from anywhere. Come on.
Okay. I will come a day after tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes.
Are you sure?
Sure.
You promise?
You can go.
I will be waiting for you.
You can go.
I will be waiting for you. And this time you're pushing me. Are you pushing me?
No,
You want me to go fast? Okay. Don't keep me waiting, no.
It's right. It's fine.
Nay, letting Chiamaka to go and stay with these people will be of great help to you. Because they are capable of helping Chiamaka. And Chiamaka too will help you as well. Because I know the burden you carry already. And I know you need help. This is just the reason I want to be of help. Nothing else. Let her go and stay with them. They are rich. They will take very good care of them. And she will take good care of you as well. What do you think? You know it is not in my place to convince Chiamaka. That is the reason I am telling you, so that you'll convince her to go.
It's okay, I've heard you. I will try and talk to her and convince her. Oh?
Okay.
But these people you're talking about, do you know them very well?
I know them. I know them very well, Mama. The woman is actually my best friend for a very long time now. Yes. Yes.
And what's their name?
Nkechi and Nnamdi Ndoka. Mama, is everything all right? You know them?
No, I do not know them. Oh. No problem, yes. Like I said, I will talk to her, then I will get back to you.
Okay, Mama, no problem. I'll be on my way right now. It's all
right.
All right. Bye.
I will get back to you.
Chiamaka, stop there! Chiamaka, I've been calling you but you wouldn't hear me.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I was just trying to run along, so I'll go pack my things.
So you finally decide to follow them back?
I do not have a choice. I just have to follow them.
Well, you know I'm your friend. Don't forget me when you get there.
Sure, I will not.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Alright, I'll come see you later in the day.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Take care of yourself.
You too.
My friend, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Sit.
Thank you.
Oh.
You look really beautiful, my friend.
Thank
Your
you, my
husband
friend.
has been taking good care of you, and it's obvious.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And where is he? How is he doing? Where is he?
Oh, he went fishing,
Oh.
but he will soon be back.
Okay, that's fine. This is the maiden I told you about. Yes.
Yes, Dada.
That's nice. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, really fine. And what is your name?
My name is Chiamaka.
Chamaka. How old are you?
I am 23 years, Dada.
23 years old. Okay. I hope you are strong. You know how to do house chores, like you can take care of the house.
Sure. Yes, Oscar.
She's energetic.
Can clean, fetch water, take care of
You
the
don't
house.
have a problem. I'm here.
Okay, no problem. And my name is Nkechi and I live here alone with my husband. He went to check his trap at this river. That is his fishing trap. He will soon be back. When he comes back, I will introduce both of you. My friend.
My dear.
Thank you very much.
You
I
are
think
welcome.
I like this one.
Oh, really? Yes, she's energetic. She's hardworking. You will like her.
I hope so.
Yes.
I hope so. It's okay. Can I get you people something? Anything to
for me,
eat?
I am all right. I'll be leaving now. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm okay. No problem.
Alright,
Take
no
care of
problem.
yourself. All right, just take good care of yourself.
From time to time.
Sure, I will. Amaka, make sure you be a good girl, okay? All right, take care. Bye. Take care of everyone. No.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Alright, Amaka, you're welcome to my home, eh? Come, let me take you inside. Let me show you.
Let me start walking.
So sorry. I did not see you. Did you injure?
No, I did not.
Are you sure?
Yes, I did not.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I was actually coming to tell you that your food is ready, so you could eat before going to work.
No, I don't think I can eat this morning because I need to rush to the river to see if my net caught some fish before another person will outsmart me. Maybe when I'm back, I will eat.
Okay, no problem.
Are you sure you did not injure?
No, I did not. I did not.
It's alright. Take care of the house.
Okay.
Keep your face up. Sorry.
Is it out?
Yes, it's smelling small. There's another one. Sorry.
You should have seen the way your mother was forcing me to eat. She was literally forcing me as if I'm a baby. Eat. I told her I am full. She was still forcing me. You need to eat more. That's your mother. There is no difference between you and your mother. The way you forced me to eat here was exactly the way she was forcing me to eat.
You have not seen anything yet. You see that woman? If she have to, if needs be, she will open your mouth force the food inside your mouth and push it down your throat.
My love, you don't need to tell me. She almost did it today. Had it been I gave her a slight chance, she would have. I told her, I am full. She said, eat. I need you to grow fat. Let people know that my son-in-law is feeding very well. I said, Mama, I am full.
Oh my God,
you needed to see her.
That reminds me, my love, I will have to go and visit her the next AK Market day.
I hope there's no problem. Or have I done anything? If I have done anything, tell me now. I will apologize. Instead of you to go and report to my mother-in-law, tell me now.
I cannot report to you. I can't.
The food is ready. I don't know if you want to eat now. Should I go get it?
I even thought you were coming with the food. There is no need informing us first. We are ready. Please go and bring it.
Okay.
Chiamaka, you will go and get the food. But before you go, I want to tell you something.
Okay, what is
Please try and wake up very early tomorrow morning because I need you to join me to somewhere.
Okay, I will. You don't have a problem at all.
Alright, you can go and get the food.
Alright, okay. Let me get
Fast, then we are very, very hungry.
Yeah, you are food.
You have two options. Yes. So you have to do what I asked you to do. Be free and still smile with huge amount of money. I know you need this money. I'm just doing this for you and your sick mother. But if you want to back off, it's fine. Just get ready to face the wrath of the land.
I seriously do not understand what you're talking about. You're talking about my sick mother? You're talking about facing the wrath of the land. I don't just get it. What is it?
Wow, I wonder why you have forgotten eBay so easily. I saw everything. The choice is yours now.
I don't understand. You mean you saw everything? You saw me with eBay? Tell me you did not see anything. Dad, baby. Please, I beg you in the name of the gods. Do not do this to me. Please.
I want you to leave here right now. Leave here!
Please.
Leave already.
Just think about it. Come.
You're begging me in the name of the gods. Do you know who the gods are? You don't. Rubbish.
You might be right, but I cannot really do this. No. I cannot.
My daughter, I will give you advice as a mother. You see, there is nothing wrong in what she said. Yes. It's just a means to an end. At least the crime you committed will forever be forgotten. And you will still be collecting enough money from her husband. Just do as he said.
Mama, how will you give me such an advice? It is very unfair and I cannot do it.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Did you say very unfair?
Yes.
So killing Gozie was fair? Now answer me.
Mama, must you bring up the death of Gozie in every conversation we had? What is even your role in this? What?
My role in this is that you should do exactly as she said.
I will not do it.
Hey. She will not do it. And she walked out. Okay. Go and come back and meet me here. No problem.
Nkechi, what is Amaka doing in your house? Eh?
Mama, Amaka is my serving girl. What else would she be doing in my house apart from to do some house chores like fetch water, cook for myself and my husband? And that is all. That's all she's doing.
Nkechi.
Mama.
Nkechi!
Mama, what is it?
You want to tell me you are not hearing what is happening in this village? Nkechi! You want her to snatch your husband?
Hey, snatch. Mama, don't go there. Snatch my husband. Don't go there, don't go there. Mama, I know who I married as husband. Nnamdi, my husband, can never look at any other woman twice other than myself. Don't. How? Amaka, snatch Nnamdi, my husband. It's not possible now.
Nkechi.
Mama.
If you say so,
I say so. You. Mama, it's not possible. Relax.
What is it?
Nothing. Just came to check up on you and possibly tell you that the food is ready.
If the food is ready, then serve me my food.
Eh? Okay. But this one, your wife is not around. Eh? You can't possibly eat alone. Do you mind if I join you?
Chiamaka.
Ah?
I am certain my wife told you that she was going to see her people and she is not coming back today or even tomorrow. If my food is ready like I said before, serve me my food and stop acting funny.
Okay, if that's what you want. You can't even say sorry.
Chiamaka, come here.
Hi.
Why are you happy?
She said I should come.
So why are you excited?
Yes.
What is this? What is this? Why are you not dressed properly?
Nothing actually. I was feeling hot inside. So I started to just stay. And besides, I'm supposed to have been sleeping by now. It's because you've not eaten.
Now listen, as you are going in there to get my food, make sure you don't come out like this. Dress properly as a maiden is supposed to. Make sure you tie your wrapper the normal way a woman is supposed to tie her wrapper. Do not come out like this. Did you understand? Now go get my food.
Get out!
told you before, I cannot possibly do what you are asking me to do. Besides, my master doesn't even look at me. He is highly principled. Okay, let me tell you something. The other day I tried seducing him. You needed to see how he embarrassed me. I cannot do that.
Why do you think I asked you to come out here? I know it might be difficult for you, but I have a plan.
How could that be?
Open your hands. You just have to obey. Take this substance, add it to his food, and he will be yours forever. Ensure Nkechi does not have a taste of that food.
May the gods forbid you! You are heartless. Are you this callous? You want me to poison him?
Oh, shut up! If I had wanted to poison him, you think I would send you? Listen, I am doing this for you! And also for your mother's sake, your sick mother's sake. And you have the guts to rant. If you don't adhere to this, I promise you, I will definitely embarrass you. Rubbish.
Kina kujo sunkunka, kina kuja karibu.
Master, your food is ready, eh? Come and eat before you go out.
No, I am rushing to the riverbank. I was informed that somebody wants to take my fish net. So I want to go there and see that person that want to come and take my net. Yeah? Maybe when I'm back.
That is why you need to eat, so that you'll be strong, eh? To fight the person. Eh? Come and eat.
Chiamaka, you did not hear me. I said I want to go and see who wants to steal my fish.
My love, she is right. You have to eat first.
Yes.
At this point, what is most important to me is your health. So eat.
What about my trap?
When you finish eating, you go and check it. See, let me warn you. You see, as I'm going to go and see my mother, I don't want to hear that you refuse to eat. Eat very well.
It's alright. I will eat like a warrior. I'll just make it quick.
Dad, I'm a good wife, eh?
Get me water to wash my hands.
That's
Rafiki Mbaya Nikisu Ngongoni.
This is an opportunity for you to strike. Since Nkechi will be traveling and you know she's not coming back anytime soon, please do not miss this opportunity. Moreover, what about the substance? He has taken it right. No problem, please, I beg you, do not miss this golden opportunity, okay? No problem, you can go back. Okay. Be careful. You didn't see me today.
Rafiki Mbaya Ni Adoi Aye Aye mama Wanini mami Wanini mami Rafiki Mbaya Ni adoi Siwezi kuamini hili Kina kujosunkunka Kina kuja Karibu Aye, mama. Ooh. One in
Oh, Chiamaka, it's been long. You're really looking good. Hey, you know it's been long. Hey, Name, you're actually taking very good care of her, and it's obvious.
My dear, on the contrary, I have you to thank. Hey, I thank the gods for using you to bless me with such a wonderful maiden. Do you know that she takes care of my home as though it's hers?
Oh, Ame.
Amaka, are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm good.
Ah.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm okay. I'm having a slight headache.
Headache?
Yes.
You having headache? In that case, I'll get you some herbs.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, my love, you need to go inside and get this.
Okay, Nkechi, I'll be waiting for what I came for.
Okay, I'll get it for you.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Chiamaka, please get her something to eat, eh?
Alright, I'll be waiting.
Okay, I'm fine with it. Let me just...
one msichana wangu, hakuna ajuaye kesho.
What about the money I asked you to get for me?
Is that why you're making a long face? I have it.
She's sleeping.
Obim! My love! My love! My love! My love, where are you coming from by this time of the night? I woke up and I could not find you inside.
Stomach upset. I do not know if it is the food that I ate. Since then, from the moment I went to bed, my stomach has been upsetting. It has been rumbling. I went to the toilet. I'm so tired.
Sorry, oh, sorry. I was wondering where you went to. I didn't even know you were suffering. Sorry. You know what? Let's go inside. I will look for something and give you for the stomach obsession. It will help you. Yes.
Oh, please, let's go.
Okay.
was listening. I was not wondering where you went to. It's toilet.
Hakuna ajuaje kesho unavuna.
There is something I really want to discuss with you.
I'm all ears.
Are you not done with me yet? Are you not tired of ruining my life? I am no longer comfortable with this. I cannot be sleeping with Nnamdi, your best friend's husband.
What exactly is your problem? I ask you again, what is your problem? What kind of a human are you? Because I have not seen anyone that spits honey that is being put in her mouth. An opportunity was given to you in order to make money and save your sick mother's life. And you're here asking too many questions.
I am pregnant. I am pregnant for crying out loud.
Oh, that's beautiful. Good news. Get ready to be his wife. As for Nkechi, forget about her. She will do nothing. I will definitely put her in her place. I can handle it. Yes, she will definitely pay dearly for what she did to me. Good news. I'm happy.
You are heartless. I thought you were actually a friend, but now I know you are an enemy and a betrayer.
Will you shut up? Do not speak to me in that manner again. Do not.
I will do that again and again. You have ruined my life. I have been sleeping with your own friend's husband. Are you not done using me? I am done with this work of yours. I am terminating this pregnancy, and that is final. If Nkechi finds out about this, she's going to kill me, and whatever she does to me, I deserve it. Thanks to you. Thanks to you for ruining my life. Kudos to you for ruining your own best friend's marriage.
You know what? I know you need to sleep, then regain your senses, because everything is not alright with you. Yes, I can imagine. Symptom of early pregnancy. Yes, I can imagine. It's not your fault. It's natural. You'll get over it.
Unavuna ulichopanda.
Nadi, what is the problem? What is troubling you? You're looking disturbed. What's the problem? Obika, my brother, I wish I know what is wrong with me. As it stands, I do not know what is wrong with me. I just wish. I do not know what is wrong with me, but obviously what is wrong with me knows me. You know you're my bosom friend. You're like a brother to me. You're supposed to trust me. So tell me, what is the problem? Chiamaka has deprived me of my sleep. I cannot concentrate anymore. As I speak with you now, in fact, the only thing I think of is just Chiamaka. But wait, who is this Chiamaka? Chiamaka is my serving girl. Your serving girl? That is the problem. That is the problem. Your serving girl is making you lose sleep. Nnamdi, you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Because if your wife finds out, you're in a big problem. That is the problem. That is exactly the problem. My wife finding out. You know how much I love my wife. But the problem is that I don't know. In fact, I don't know how this girl took over my head. I don't think straight anymore. Your serving girl deprived you of sleep. I don't know. the worst of it all is that it's just I'm talking to you now. If the thing comes to me now, piam, I will discharge you here and run back home. Even if I am fishing and the thing comes to me, bam, I will discharge whatever thing I'm doing and run back home.
Because of a serving girl?
I do not know, my brother, and I don't want my wife to find out.
Nnamdi, you've gone too far. You've gone far, but you have to be careful.
I am trying.
You have to be careful, oh.
I am trying. How else do I need to be careful? I've been trying my best.
Dada. What is wrong with you?
Something happened today. A woman caught her best friend and her husband in the bush. They were committing adultery. They were having an affair. And someone who saw them alerted the woman. Do you know what she did? She stabbed her best friend to death.
I pity them. But what if you are the person? What will you do if you are the woman?
My husband. By dawn, the person will be dead.
Huh?
Because I will kill her in her sleep.
You kill the person? Okay. It's fine. So should I get your food? You don't have to think about it, eh? It did not happen to you.
Unavuna ulichopanda umenivunja.
Ne, I want you to talk to your daughter immediately because she is trying to play with fire.
Trying to play with fire? Please, my daughter, just calm down and tell me exactly what happened. I don't know why that girl is very stubborn.
Chiamaka is pregnant. And I told her that this is an opportunity for her to become Nnamdi's second wife. But she does not want to listen to me. Mama, please talk to her. I want her to be Nnamdi's second wife because Nkechi has not conceived. And the gods blessed her with a child. I don't know if Chiamaka does not want to take you out of your poor condition. Please talk to her because Nnamdi is a rich fisherman. And she's trying to play with this opportunity.
Wait. Did I hear you well? You said Chiamaka, my own Chiamaka is pregnant.
Yes.
And she didn't tell me. Please, my daughter. So what do we do about this?
I know what to do. Nnamdi, Chiamaka, I summon your spirits right now. And as I'm about to make use of this great bonding leave, no man or woman will ever spoil what I'm about to try right now. Nnamdi, this is the sound of your foot. Chiamaka, this is the sound of your foot. As I mix them together, so shall both of you match foot by foot in affection, in love that no one can ever destroy or separate. Not even Nkechi will separate this bond, no matter where she goes to. Nnamdi, you are tied today. You are tied. You are tied with Chiamaka. Chiamaka is the only woman you would love, and Nkechi will turn to beasts in your eyes.
Umenivunja moyo, umevunja imani yangu kwako, siwezi kuamini ulifanya hivi.
Chiamaka. Chiamaka.
Please stop. Stop, I don't want to do this. Leave me alone.
You have nothing to be afraid of. My wife is not in the house, so we have the whole day to enjoy ourselves. Hmm? My beauty. Come, let's go inside. You will like it. Come, come.
Umevunja imani yangu kwako, siwezi kuamini ulifanya.
Where are you going to?
I want to go and see my friend Obika. You know, I went to his house in the morning. He was not around, so I want to go back there.
Oh, please, stay a little more with me. I enjoyed every bit of it. Please.
I know you are so sweet, but I really need to go. Eh? Let me go and see my friend.
I say no, please, don't leave me alone. Please.
You want to kill me with sweetness? You. There's no problem.
Let's go.
Hey, just one more round.
Let's go.
Siwezi kuamini ulifanya hivi. Nilikupenda,
This was not here when I left. This one this is here now. That means Nnamdi is back home. This early? Or did he forget something? I hope this is not what I am thinking. I seriously hope this is not what I'm thinking.
Hey! Nnamdi! Chiamaka! Chibo! What is going on there? I'll kill you today! Stop it there! You stop! Chiamaka! Where is that guy? Where is she?
do I do now? Where will I run to? It would have been better. I confess. It would have been better I confess that I killed Gozie than doing this. Nkechi must not see me here. Nkechi must not meet me here. Holy baby, you have killed me. You ruined me. You ruined my life. Where do I go to? Where do I run to? I just have to continue.
Chiamaka, you've not told me why you came back. Why are you here?
Why are you beating her now? Why are you beating her? Let me let her bleed to death. Let me let her bleed to death. Bleed to death.
What did she do? What did she do?
It's okay. You.
What did she do? Why are you beating her?
This witch. She's my serving girl. She had the gut to be sleeping with my husband. She said I shouldn't kill her.
You see, you haven't seen anything yet. Calm down, my daughter. It's okay.
Ego, my sister, please forgive me. I am sorry for everything. You know I'm your elder sister. And we are one blood. Please. You can't just throw me away like that. I am begging you. It all started when we were growing up. Our parents loved you so much. They showed you love and care. And they hated me. They hated me so much. Due to the life I lived. And that made them to will everything we had to you. That triggered my hatred towards you. I attacked you many times. Many years ago, your child was kidnapped. After a few months, the news of your death spread everywhere. I now carried your child, and she started living with me. My survival depends on her. Chiamaka is your daughter.
I don't understand. You mean she's my sister?
You're my mother's sister. She is my sister.
Yes.
No. 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 Adamma.
My love, where are you going with your bag? You're even crying. What is going on?
I am going back to my father's house. I am done with this marriage.
You cannot say that. My love, you know you cannot do that to me. Why? Why would you go back to your father's house? Who are you leaving your house for? This is your home. Please.
How dare you? How dare you ask me such question? Namdi, of all the women in this village, you chose to sleep with my servant, Chamaka.
I'm sorry.
Namdi, you betrayed our love. You broke my heart. How dare you ask me that question? How could you?
I'm sorry. I've always told you I am sorry. I do not know what came over me. That is the truth. I am sorry. You cannot just abandon our love. You can't abandon our home. Who are you leaving the house for? Please, my love. Okay, tell me. What do you want me to do for you? What do you want me to do so I can make it up to you? I am very sorry. Please forgive me. You can't just leave. Yeah? I beg you. In the name of the gods, please. Stay back. I will make it up to you. I promise.
There, Namdi. Greetings.
Did you see my wife? Did my wife cross this path?
Your wife? No. I haven't seen her today.
You did not see her?
Hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem.
Okay.
Nilikupenda, nilikuamini, nilikupenda, kuamini, unanifanya hivi, rafiki yangu. Kwa nini mimi? Aye mama. Aye
Namdi, my brother. How are you doing now? Any news?
No news.
Wait. Do Namdi, do you want to kill yourself? You finished this keg of palm wine by yourself. And you're still drinking. Wait, give me. Give me. Want to kill yourself? Give me this thing.
What am I living for? Look at me. Is this one life? Am I alive like this?
Namdi, no now. See, I'm going to take you inside. Get up, let's get inside. So that you can sleep and wave off all these drinks.
I have slept. I'm awake now.
Namdi, you're drunk. Come, let us go inside.
Obika, look at your eyes.
Come, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Take care of you, you are drunk.
Come, let me take you.
I will sit here till my wife comes back.
No, you have to sleep. You are drunk.
Obika, you are drunk.
Namdi, my brother, how about your wife?
No news yet, Obika.
I would like to show you something. Follow me. Mama, I'd like to show you something. Let's go. Come, let's go.
Greetings. Greetings. Please, I'm looking for somebody. Her name is Chiamaka Okonkwo. Okay. Do you know her whereabouts?
No. I saw her 3 days ago, rushing out of the compound.
Oh, when I went to their compound and they were not there. Do you know their whereabouts? You don't. Do you know anybody that knows her?
No.
Hi. And I'm actually looking for her for something very important. But it is alright, no problem. Alright.
No problem.
Aye, mama. Aye.
Obika, what is going on? Yeah? Are you avoiding me? I have sent for you so many times and you refuse to come and answer me. What is happening?
My brother Namdi, you will not understand. The thing is that I went to the bush this morning to check my traps. Do you know that instead of my traps to catch an animal, it caught a maiden?
A maiden?
My brother.
Hey, Obika. Obika, this is not good though. This is a bad omen. I hope she did not die, because I know how dangerous your traps could be. Is she alive?
She's alive. The thing is that I took her to Mbadike, the herbalist, for him to commence treatment. From there I started coming to this place.
Thanks to the gods, she's alive.
Yes.
Supposing she died, do you know what will become of you in this village?
My brother.
Ha! Problems everywhere.
So, what about your wife?
Obika, my brother, I am tired. I do not know what to do anymore. I've virtually searched for my wife everywhere in this village. Both in the farm and the mountains. I have gone everywhere. All the people that I saw on the way and asked if they've seen my wife, they said they have not set their eyes on her. I was even considering going to her maternal home tomorrow to know if she's there.
No. Don't go there. Don't go there. Do you want to put yourself in trouble? Her maternal home? No. It's not a good idea at all. See what is going to happen. I'm going to help you search for your wife. We are going to see her. Forget about that going to her maternal home. No. It's not a good idea.
As it stands now, I do not know what to think of anymore. My head is as empty as anything you can think of. Just imagine the home. My home is empty. I am empty without my wife. And you know how close we are to each other.
I know. We are going to see her. I believe that we are going to see her. So just calm down. Okay? So I'm going to help you.
There's no problem. No, you don't have to worry. No. She's giving me sleepless nights. Never. Just imagine.
Who is here? Oyena yao. Oh, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Well, my name is Oluebube Ezenwa. I'm from the neighboring village. I'm looking for a young maiden. Her name is Chiamaka Okonkwo. I went to where they were staying before, but they said they have relocated. And somebody referred me to you, that you are her closest friend. So please, where can I find Chiamaka?
Why are you looking for her? Is everything alright?
The reason I'm looking for Chiamaka is actually between Chiamaka and I. But don't worry, there is a reward for you. And Chiamaka would be glad she met me. Okay, please. Just take me to where she is, I beg you. Please,
Are
just
you
take
for
me to
real?
her. Yes, I'm for real.
I know where you can find her.
Oh, really? Please take me there immediately. She will be glad, yes, she will be glad. She probably finally sees me.
But you said you'd give me money.
I will give you money, I promise.
Okay, no problem. I'll take you to where you can find her.
Oh, alright, after you. Okay, this way.
Take it easy, eh?
Leave me alone! Leave me!
It's okay. Madike, please, just let her be. If slapping me will make you feel better, please go ahead and slap me more. I am very sorry. I am really very sorry. Please, forgive me.
Why did you do it? Is it because I could not give you a child?
Don't say that. You don't have to say that, please. I do not know what came over me. I do not know what ran into me and I began to do what I never intended to do. Please, I am sorry. Please.
Mother, get these two people out of here. I don't want to see them. Get them out of my sight!
My daughter, please just exercise some patience. Hear her out. Biko.
Please, she have to say. Do you know what she did to me? The pain!
Dada, please. I am so sorry for hurting you. You took me in as a sister. You never maltreated me. I am sorry for betraying you and sleeping with your husband. Please, forgive me, please. Please.
I'm forgiving you. Just get out of my life.
No, Dada. I was blackmailed into sleeping with your husband by Olubube.
What?
Yes.
How unreasonable can you be? Are you mad? Is it not bad enough that you tried to destroy my marriage? Now you want to destroy my friendship with Olubube? Are you mad?
I am saying the truth and she knows it.
My daughter, she's right. Olubube masterminded everything. Yes.
Olubube?
It was out of greed for money. I stupidly agreed. She mistakenly murdered someone and Olubube saw everything and used it against her. Someone who tries to rape her. Yes.
Olubebe. Say something! Say something! Oh, please!
Please do not mention my name. What is it? You are the reason I'm still unmarried.
Olubebe! So because he called your friend, and you automatically thought I was the one who betrayed you? Was I the only friend you had? Was I?
Which other friend was so close to me like you were?
Olubebe, when Obinze broke up with you, I went to him and confronted him.
I don't know why Obinze has been avoiding me. I don't know. He's been avoiding me lately, and it's obvious.
What is going on? Did you both have an argument?
We did not. I don't know. I went to check on him the other day. He almost walked me out, though I didn't let that happen. I left peacefully, but I know something is wrong somewhere. He doesn't want to have any conversation with me at all.
This is very strange, because the Obinze that I know does not behave that way. What could be the problem?
I don't know.
It's okay. Anyhow, we'll figure it out, eh? We'll figure out how to... It's okay. It's okay. No problem. We'll figure it out together. Obinzi, how can you be so mean? How could you abandon a maiden you were supposed to marry just 3 market days to your traditional marriage? How? How mean can you be?
Nkechi, how more can I marry a woman that is sleeping around?
What?
Yes.
How did you... Do you have any proof?
Nkechi, as you can see, I'm going somewhere before you came in. We will see later.
How did it go? I mean, the meeting with Obinze. Please tell me, how did it go?
My dear friend Olebube, the truth is, I will advise you to forget everything about Obinze. See, the oil is already spilled and nothing can be done about it.
No! Why will you say nothing can be done? You mean my own Obi, like, we won't be together anymore? That's not possible. You know how much I love him!
It's okay, it's okay. Trust me. Just look at it from the brighter side of life.
I sense something. My instinct has never lied to me. I feel someone is behind this. I don't know why I feel this way, but if at all anybody is behind this, I will so punch the person. I will make sure the person cry every day of his or her life. I will make the person's life miserable for trying to take away my happiness.
It's fine. Okay.
So what did I do? I did nothing.
It's okay, it's okay. I promise you, you'll get over this, okay? You will get over this. You'll find a good man and you eventually settle down with him. Yes.
And this is the way you pay me back for fighting your battle as a friend. I did not know this was what happened. Please, I beg you, forgive me. I'm finished. Oh my God. How do I make up this? Please forgive me. Get out!
You know what? You, get out.
Get out of here! Get out of here now!
Nkechi.
Out!
You have to take it easy on yourself. Remember, you are pregnant.
Mbadike, was that a slip of tongue?
No, she is pregnant.
Because of our land.
I thank you.
My love, you're pregnant. At least the gods have smiled at us.
Umevunja imani yangu kwako, siwezi kuamini ulifanya hivi. Nilikupenda, nilikuamini, nilikupenda, kuamini, unanifanya hivi, rafiki yangu. Kwa nini mimi? Aye mama,